A matrix is an ordered arrangement of numbers into rows and columns. All right, so it's a way of just taking a lot of information and giving it some structure. This is a very simple example. We'll call this matrix C, and it's a two rows by 3 columns. So think of Pingree columns. They're the vertical things. You've got 3 of those. You've got 2 rows. This is identified as a matrix with dimensions. All right, the dimension 2 by 3. So you'll see in a moment how we use that to tell whether we can add or subtract or multiply or divide matrices. Anyway, so this, we would call this matrix C, and it's a 2 by 3. Each one of these things is called an element, and they can have a position that we will be studying in a little bit, but that is not our concern right now. We're simply going to talk about adding and doing some elementary matrix math. All right, so suppose we have these 2 matrices, A and B. What are the dimensions of these? That's right, they're a 2 by 2. Each of them is a 2 by 2. If you have matrices that are the same exact dimension, then their individual elements will match up and we can add them. So first problem here is find A plus B. All right, so to do that, all we would do is add corresponding elements, and so this is also going to be a 2 by 2. It's going to be 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. 0 plus 8 is 8. 1 and negative 1 gives me 0, and negative 4 and 9 would give me 5. So that's the solution to A plus B. All right, why don't you very quickly tell me, what is this going to be? A minus B. 2 minus 3 is negative 1. 0 minus 8 is negative 8. 1 minus a negative 1 is 1 plus 1, that's 2. And then negative 4 minus 9 will be negative 13. Okay, so I'll let you do these 2, all right, and bring them in for homework tomorrow just to make sure you know how to do this. By the way, if you have a number, a scalar times a matrix, you simply multiply each element by that number. All right, that's pretty straightforward. This one's a little bit more complicated. You're going to scale each of these matrices and then do the addition. All right, that's it. That's your quick introduction. But now go to the second video where I show you how to plug these into your calculator. Thanks.